Well, guys, it's like the last nice day we're probably gonna have. It's not even that nice. It's really cold. I'm gonna teach you guys how to a real simple airsoft grenade. It's like 5 steps. I don't think you've seen that. Oh my, this guy's tough. Boom. Yeah, it usually breaks the egg. You might not have seen that on camera, but you can see there's a bunch of BBs everywhere. It totally exploded. That would have hurt. Okay, let's get right to it. Step 1, get an egg. Well, kind of an Easter egg. Step 2, get BBs. Step 3, fill egg with BBs. Step 4, close egg. Step 5, go outside and throw it at someone. Don't forget to make sure the other person you're throwing it at has safety glasses, and I'll try to get a better view. Yeah, okay. Explodey. See you guys, and that is a simple 1 minute 45-second review on how to make an Easter egg. Fairly simple. It only takes 2 materials, and I'll see you bye.